Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, like we said earlier, it's Girls' Day, and because it's the Girls' Day, we have had one of our favorite rising stars in dancehall here to join us. Yes, and she's going to talk to us about her brand new album. Welcome, Stalk Ashley, but we are going to call her
Stalky.
Stalky.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys,
Gorgeous Stalky.
look
yes.
how beautiful she is, Sanique. Flawless.
I know we're talking about the pink eyebrows,
Yeah.
pink lashes. I
Stunning.
love it.
Thank
Stunning, stunning. Flowers.
So Stalky, Manchester born. Huh?
Yes, Manchester born and raised.
I
girl.
love it. So,
Yeah.
what are some of the things you love about your parish?
Oh God, just how cool it is. Like it's really cool, and
You mean the temperature of the people?
the temperature.
Both.
Both.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
both. But
okay.
like
Because
it's
my
really
father is
cool.
from Manchester, so me in it.
Yeah, I know.
Right,
Yeah.
exactly.
Gets
It's
it.
really cool. Yeah, that's probably like my favorite
That's
thing
it?
about it. That's my favorite thing.
Okay, I get that.
Because she doesn't have to go out and sweat, you see?
Yeah,
No
or
AC.
turn on the
Yeah,
AC,
you have to turn on the
AC,
chill.
we can chill, yeah.
Chill, you
Sleep
don't
comfortable.
feel miserable. That's why
Right.
they all have this beautiful personality.
I get it.
You don't have to deal with the heat.
Maybe that's where the beauty comes from. You know, because she's cool. She not sweat like the rest of the way. She not sweat. All right, so you're here to talk about your new album.
Yes.
How would you describe your sound? And then I want you to describe yourself in 3 words. So first, describe yourself in 3 words.
Myself, I am very.
3.
Ooh, oh my God. I'm calm.
Calm.
Collected.
Ooh. Calm.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
collected.
am talented, if I do say myself.
Yes.
Yeah, and a true creative at heart. So, yeah.
All right,
And
I
the
like
sound.
that. Yeah, how would you describe your sound?
I would describe my sound as fresh and like sultry and like soulful as well.
Okay. Fresh, sultry, and soulful. We're going to hear it later.
Yeah.
Stalky,
We're
it's
gonna
funny you
judge.
said cool and collected, but then when she put the mic in her hand, it's fire.
Fire.
Yeah.
Fire.
So, your first single in 2019, did you ever think it would just shoot off so quickly and then picked up by Atlantic Records after
Wow, not really. Sometimes,
Yeah.
you know, when you do things, you can't really truly know the outcome. And for me, that was one of those cases where I was just doing, what I love and just hoping for the best. And, it turned out really great.
that? Yeah, first single, young. Really
Yeah,
nice.
it was really awesome. Okay, because you see, I want to get to know you better.
Okay.
So me keep asking you to describe all these things. So next thing I want you to describe for us. Describe what is your interpretation of Bratt.
Yeah.
Give
Okay.
us the sauce, yes.
Yeah. So for me, because I know them have Bratt as just someone who's like rude or
Yeah.
spoiled.
Such a brat.
Exactly.
Yes,
But for
always
me,
negative.
it's always negative.
Yeah.
For me, I think Bratt and like my acronym, like mine is spelled BRATT, and what it means for me is to be real all the time. So it's like being the truest, realest version of yourself and being like true to who you are
Authentic.
all the time. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And maybe, it will probably come off rude to somebody if you're like being true to yourself, but like
Yeah.
you're true to yourself.
Yeah.
Show the world who you are and let them deal with it.
Right.
So,
love that.
Stalky, we have a lot of young women who are returning to school, whether high school, college, and who know you, who admire you, who love your music. So since you're here, Anisha Yense, we're trying to get to know you a little bit better. I'm hoping they can get to know you a little bit better too. Is there anything, any words of wisdom, anything you could say to them as they're getting ready now to kind of kickstart their studies once more?
Wow. I'll just say like keep pushing, like no matter what, you know what I mean? The challenges, everybody have them, but like know what you want and like stop at nothing, like keep going for it.
Yeah, don't get distracted.
That's
Yeah.
a really good one. And like we said earlier, you are a rising star. Your single, Young, like we said, it kicked off. Awesome. As a Jamaican artist, where do you hope to see Jamaican music in the next, we're not gonna get long term, let's say short term, 2 to 3 years.
2 to 3 years?
Yeah.
I hope to see like
Where do you want to take it in 2 to 3 years?
2 to 3 years, I would hope there's more like unity, I would say. And just like, you know, I hope we can all come together and push the culture, the genre forward, you know, instead of like
Separated so much.
dividing
yeah.
so much. So yeah, that's the main thing I would
Yeah,
really
man.
want.
All right. And yeah.
But guess what now? We love Stalky so much that we decided we're gonna keep her. We're gonna keep her for the rest of the show. And she also has a performance shortly.
Yep.
Yeah, so we're going to take the break soon, and then when we come back, Stalky is gonna perform for us, and it's all coming from her new album. Yeah, Stalky, which song you going to sing?
Bricks.
Yeah, go sing.
Bricks.
Break.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Breaks.
Yeah.
Yes,
You know,
we like
but
it.
I have one question. Can I ask one more
Sure,
question
of
before we go to the break? We'll go to the break, but one more question. Well, we have you here.
Yeah.
What artist, would you say yours is like an inspiration that you go, yo, that's my artist, that's my artist?
Oh wow, you know, to be honest, there's not one particular person or like one particular thing. To me, inspiration comes from any and everything. You can draw inspiration from anything. So there's a lot of people that I look up. The list is long, like, you know, for like,
Yeah, give it 5,
go.
give it 6.
Oh my God,
Give it 8.
like, I don't know, like I feel like I love what Rihanna's done with her career. I love Doja Cat. I love like, you know, how she going with her stuff.
Yeah.
Jamaican artists, there's so many. There's Alkaline, there is Sean Paul, there is...
I love that. It spans from
exactly,
different...
and I can go on and on and on, but like, you know...
All right, bless you.
And
Versatile.
it comes out in our music.
Yeah,
it comes
versatile.
out in
I love
our
that.
music. All right.
I like it, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm ready.
I can go to the break now.
Yeah, man. So, yes, Stalky the Bratt in the mix. She not gonna wear. We love that daytime. I'll be right back. And we're gonna take a little break from Stalky just for now, because we'll come back with a throwback video from Cartel and Marshall. Don't want to miss it. This will go.